baka naman ayaw din syempre ng tao. Siguro, kailangan mo rin mag-move on dahil mahirap din naman, kahit gano'n pa kagusto yung isang tao, mahirap din naman talaga yung pagpilitan yung sarili mo. Kung, yun na nga, kung one way lang siya.
Kaya magbabike na lang si Dennis. Ganun charot lang. Magbabike.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Jude. But before there are a few questions, pasalamatan ko lang ating mga thank you, Zact Whitening Toothpaste. Thank you, Sisters PH, Petimon, Robinson's Communities, tsaka Abengoza Catering. You can visit the website www.abengoza.com or you can email abengozacatering@yahoo.com. Thank you. Okay, more questions? Who would like to shoot the next question? Si Chicanes. Nanahimik ka dyan. Puro ka picture.
Magtatanong ka na.
Ayan, sige, ikaw mami. Okay.
Ako uli.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
It better be, Chay.
Mo, tinanong ko rin po kay Baha yun. Siguro kasi people who watch movies like this, kasi kahapon na nakita ko na nasa SM Megaban. Pero nakatitig doon sa trailer, babae siya. Sabi ko, iba yung itsura niya nung habang tinitingnan niya yun. Miyembro ng mga babae na nakikita ko rin when they watch trailers na they're looking for answers.
It's a poster. They're staring at the poster.
Yung sa trailer,
Okay.
dun sa sa cinema,
Okay.
di ba may pinapalabas na parang ganito, tapos nilalabas to, nakatingin siya dun sa You're Still the One, siguro anticipating, what is this movie about? What do you want to tell them? Why should they watch the movie? Or that's one question. Another is, what do you want to tell the viewers who are anticipating, looking for answers by watching a movie like this?
That, ang swerte-swerte ng babaeng yan. Sir Chief, anong gusto mong sabihin doon sa babaeng yun na hindi natin kilala? Na nakatutok sa trailer.
Kasi there are some people who you can have a relationship with who will be able to help you. Pero hindi magiging kayo because hindi tama yung relationship. So, the answers to these questions are parang, there will be relationships that you think are right, but it's all wrong.
They are right, but they are wrong.
Yes.
May gano'n naman.
Feeling mo lang tama siya, pero sa totoong buhay, mali talaga siya. So, these are relationships that you should leave, parang gano'n, and find the right one. Kaya nga, still the one, you're looking for the right one.
So they should, you're telling them to keep on looking for the one.
Yes.
Kumbaga, don't stop and be mesmerized with the feeling.
Kasi yung iba, they go into a relationship kasi may makukuha sila eh. Siguro natutulungan sila or meron silang benefit na nakukuha from that relationship. Pero if it's not real love, or if it's not right in terms of love or morality, it's not the right one.
It has to pass on all those standards.
Yes, kasi kung hindi, magkakaroon ka talaga kayo ng problema. Sooner or later, magkakaroon ng problema yung relationship.
But you also believe in unrequited love. Yung talagang one-way love, unconditional love. You only love the person that you don't care. But that person will love you back.
Yeah, I've met people who do that, na talagang kahit na parang hindi siya pinapansin ng tao, love na love pa rin nila. Siguro hindi mo na wala ka na magagawa doon kasi nasa sayo na yan, nasa tao na yan eh. So, they have to help themselves eh.
Okay. Si Dennis.
Ako po siguro gusto kong parating sa mga manonood na kailangan nilang panoorin itong pelikula na to dahil totoo po yung mga characters na ginagampanan namin. I mean, nangyayari talaga siya sa totoong buhay. And, ayun na, katulad ng sinabi ni Sir Chief na dito sa pelikulang to, makikita nyo yung mga pagkakamaling pagdadaanan nyo sa mga buhay ninyo. And at the same time, may mga sagot at matutulungan kayong itama para mas maging masaya kayo lalo na sa isang relasyon.
Ayan, nasagot na yung problema mo, Chicanes. May problema siya kagabi. Ayan, sinagot ni Dennis.